Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch pre-loved canvas, which I'm going to do a spatula swipe. Yes, a spatula swipe. And I have a whole stack of really pretty colours just left over, and I from a couple of previous pours, and I'm going to just willy-nilly them on and see what happens. Hey, there is silicone in these colours now. There wasn't earlier, but there is now. And some green. I'll write all the colours and their recipes. You'll find that under Show More down below, along with the pouring medium. I've got some pale blue here too. It's kind of pretty. Right, I'm not using all of that by the look of it. Some yellow. This is lemon yellow. It's quite bright. It's very pretty. Scratch him out. He's used up. Some red. Just putting it over where I can see more canvas, although it'll get covered up in a minute. Also under Show More you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and join us. And a link to my Fine Arts America page, which is fun. You'll also find a link there to Priscilla Betzel's amazing book named Because I Can, and her Amazon link is down below as well, so please feel free to check that out if you'd like. It'll make excellent Christmas presents for people. And some white. That's enough. Don't want any more than that, I don't think. Maybe some on the edges and the corners. Oops, certainly got some on that corner. Right, and black, and we're off. Pretty colours. Okay. I like these swipes. I know you never get two of these paintings ever the same, but you've got less chance of getting anything remotely like anything else you've ever done by doing this type. Look at the lovely cells already, beautiful. I find this type of swipe rather therapeutic. Maybe I'm a little strange. No, I know I am. But maybe a bit more black. Just to take it up here. Right, got all the edges done. Oh, just a touch in the middle. And then I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to do that. With some blue maybe. Yes, I like that. Whoa, she is a pretty one. Whoops, I missed a spot. Look at that. Okay, come here. Some paint off this spatula. I'll go around the edges a little bit later and get them. Okay, so I am now just checking it to make sure it's to the edge. See, it's not along here. This has to behave. Just bringing the paint to the edge, and then a bit later on I'll go around and probably just give it a black edge, and the sides is what I mean by edge. As long as this paint comes right there, I'm good. Okay, oh, another bit. Goodness. Okay, I think I've got it now. One would hope so. Okay, now that makes me happy. So I'm definitely going to torch it now and hopefully bring up some cells. many more I can get on there though. Say that I think this is one of the prettiest ones I've done to date. It's certainly I've even got cells on my spatula. Okay, and there was a time when I couldn't get a cell to bless myself with. I like the green on there, I think. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a little look. See, oh look, I can see some canvas right there. Okay. Bring it down. And we'll see all the pretty cells. Gee, they are pretty. Some of them have got 2 and 3 colours inside them. There's the centre. Come back over here, see if I can pick these up. Where are they? They're in the black ones. No. Some bigger cells over this side. Such pretty colours too. That's my little dog. I think she thinks it's dinner time. She'll probably be right. Yes, I like this one. It's very pretty. So thank you very much for watching. Please give this video the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.